హే ఎవ్రీవన్, వెల్కమ్ టు విదాశ్రీ. ఈరోజు లైవ్ సెషన్లో మనం బ్యూటిఫుల్ కంచిపట్టు శారీస్ చూసేద్దాం. వెరీ బ్యూటిఫుల్ కలర్స్. దిస్ ఇస్ డార్క్ గ్రీన్ అండి, డార్క్ గ్రీన్ విత్ మరూన్ కలర్ బోర్డర్. బెస్ట్ ముహూర్తం శారీ. కలర్ కాంబినేషన్ కూడా చాలా చక్కగా ఉంది. శారీ మొత్తం కూడా బూటాస్ వస్తుంది, మంచి గోల్డెన్ కలర్ బూటాస్ విత్ 2 జరీ borders. And the other one, this is blue color, such a beautiful color, everyone's favorite collection. And saree మొత్తం కూడా మనకి golden zari designer వస్తుంది, such a beautiful color combination. And you can even see the borders running on either sides, which is little darker blue. And the next one, this is dark yellow, it's like golden yellow color with pink color border running on either side, such a beautiful color combination. Saree మొత్తం కూడా మనకి booty works వస్తుంది, such a prettiest. And this is pink color, rose pink with green color border. One is light color and the border is bright color, such a beautiful combination. మనకి బాడీ ఆఫ్ ద శారీ మొత్తం కూడా మనకి సిల్వర్ జరీ వస్తుంది and the border is with golden zari, such a beautiful combination. Everything is a beautiful kanchi pattu sarees andi, the beautiful kanjivaram. And yes, welcome to Vidatri. Ee roju live session lo mana beautiful kanjivaram sarees chusedam. Very bright and prettiest colors, and we are here to bring you the smile on your faces for your beautiful and memorable occasion. And ee sarees anni kuda muhurtams ki and manchi receptions ki kuda perfect fit ayye collections, and for every traditional occasion. So before I begin the live, I'll show you all the collections which I'm gonna show you today. We Vidatri never compromise on quality. The best offer price today. These are the kanchipattu sarees at the best offer price. Very beautiful, and we offer the best quality of sarees and the designers, such a beautiful collection. You can even see the colors, how pretty it is. Vidatri's special saree collection, Kanjivaram sarees at best weavers price. I hope these sarees will bring a smile on your faces, and this will be the perfect fit for your wardrobe. And this is the order number. Please do take the screenshot. We'll just move one by one. I'm sure definitely you will love all the sarees. Beautiful kanjivarams today, and colors చూసారు కదా ఇప్పుడు. Each and every saree I'll be showing one by one. నేను వేసుకుని ఎలా ఉంది అన్నది each and every saree కూడా detail గా చూపిస్తాను. You can just go through everything. We'll start by one. Yes, this is one of the beautiful color, beautiful. This is golden yellow color with pink color combination. Such a beautiful combination, everyone's favorite, and I love this saree, and I hope you love this too. And if you like this saree, please do take the screenshot. And here's the border with golden zari. Such a beautiful border, and sarees with tiny buttas, which is silver zari buttas. And here's the pallu with golden weave, such a beautiful combination. Silver zari with golden zari is one of the prettiest combination ever. And we have got the thread weave as well, and this is the blouse. And here's the blouse combination. So this is the blouse combination. You can see how pretty it is with the beautiful combination and the contrast. I hope you love this combination. And this saree is priced at 34,999. These are the pure kanjivarams Vidatri special collection, which are at the best weavers price. and these sarees will be the perfect fit for your biggest occasions. And this is one more color. This is dark green with orange color combination. Such a beautiful one, and saree మొత్తం కూడా golden zari designer వస్తుంది, and you can even see the border which is with golden zari work. And this is the pallu. Here's the pallu with rich weave and the rich combination, and you can also see the thread work at the bottom. Such a beautiful designer on the. See how pretty it is, and this has got the blouse. So blouse is a contrast, and this is how the combination looks, very pretty. And this saree is priced at 39,999. These are the special collection of Vidatri Kanjivaram sarees, and colors are also very pretty, lovely colors only. This is the light color combination, light peach with violet color. We have got a skirt border at the end. Border lo manki skirt border vastundi, which is with golden zari, and the border the other side is thin border, but both are khadi zari borders which is running on either sides. And saree మొత్తం కూడా tiny motifs వస్తుంది. You can see the detailing clearly. Such a beautiful outfit. This is the pallu. Pallu is also very beautiful only. Such a beautiful designer. And for this we have got the blouse. So this is a contrast blouse. Such a beautiful one, and dark color shade, peach with violet. And the saree price is 38,499. So if you like this saree, please do take the screenshot and message to this number, which is the order number. So we'll see the next one. We are shipping these sarees worldwide, so you can just order from where you are. This is one more beautiful color, such a fabulous one. You can see the color combination, both are little bright. Violet with pink. Saree muttam, you can see the designer running all over the saree. Such a beautiful fit, and even the borders are khadi zari border with pretty designer. Lovely combination. This is the pallu. Extra beautiful design. It's with golden zari. Very beautiful combination. And you can even see the blouse. So blouse is pink color with a beautiful border. It looks very elegant, and each saree price which is 35,999. This is one more beautiful color only, dark lemon yellow shade with violet color border. Such an enhancing color, and ee color వచ్చి అందరికి suit అవుతుంది because it's a bright color. And sarees with body of the sarees with full of silver weave, and border వచ్చేసరికి మనకి golden zari border వస్తుంది with traditional designs at the border. And here's the pallu. Pallu is also with rich golden weave, and this suits for every occasion, and మనకి thread finishing కూడా చాలా చక్కగా వచ్చిందండి. And we have the blouse. So here's a blouse, beautiful blouse. And this saree is priced at 33,999. And the next one, this is one of the bright colors suitable for all the occasions, traditional occasions. And I wish that this saree will be the perfect fit in your wardrobe. So you can see this red color, red with golden yellow combination. Saree మొత్తం కూడా మనకి beautiful designer వస్తుందండి, which is a golden zari designer running all over. And the border is also very pretty with golden zari. It's a khadi zari borders running on either side. This is the pallu with golden yellow combination. Very pretty. And for this we have got the contrast blouse. So this is how it suits for the saree, the golden yellow combination. And this saree price goes 31,199. This is one more beautiful color which is suitable for all the occasions, especially manki muhurtam ki chala baga set ayye saree, manchi light color. And you can see the border which is green color, dark green. It's a traditional border running on either sides. And body of the saree మొత్తం కూడా మనకి golden color weave తో చాలా light color combination తో వస్తుంది saree. Such a beautiful designer. This is the pallu. Pallu వచ్చేసి మనకి dark color combination with golden weave. And we have got a blouse, the contrast blouse. మనం చక్కగా బుటాస్ పెట్టుకోవచ్చు and we can just stitch it till the elbows. And we can even try the mugam works as well. So the price is 34,999. These are the pure Kanjivaram sarees only, the special sarees of Siddharthi, which is at the best weaver's price. And any sarees kuda manaku only single piece and single colors unnai. So just block it as soon as possible. You can just take the screenshot and message to our team. They will assist you. This is one of the bright colors suitable for the muhurtams again. This is maroon with green color combination. Very pretty and the మొత్తం కూడా మంచి డిజైనర్ ఉన్న సారీ అండి పెద్ద బూటాస్ వస్తుంది and even the border is such a traditional border khadi zari border. This is the pallu with golden weave and thread finishing కూడా వస్తుంది దీనికి. And for this we have got the contrast blouse. So this is how it looks andi, such a beautiful combination. Manam half sleeves petkoni bells kuda petkochu. It looks pretty and ee saree price vachesi maniki 34,999. Wow, this is one more beautiful color. Siddharthi special collection. This is green color, green with pink combination, everyone's favorite color combination. Saree మొత్తం కూడా మనకి golden zari వస్తుంది. You can see the design, how pretty it is. It's with a diamond shape design and cross check pattern types వస్తుంది. And even the border is pink color with golden weave. Such a beautiful combination. And this is the pallu with golden weave and manchi designer kuda వస్తుంది pallu మీద. And you can also see the border continuation. చాలా చక్కగా ఉందండి saree, కలర్ కూడా చాలా అందంగా ఉంది. This is the border. So మీరు ఈ saree చక్కగా తీసుకోవచ్చు. This will be suitable for all the occasions and color combination కూడా అంతే చక్కగా ఉంది. So please hurry up. And this saree priced at 35,999. These are the best wedding collections and manaki weddings kuda very near. So you can just block the sarees which you love. This one is pink color. This is for all the ladies, especially everyone loves pink color, isn't it? So this will be the perfect fit for them. And the border is light mehendi green combination with golden weave. And the saree is like full of designer. You can see the detailing. Such a beautiful detailing all over. This is the pallu. Such a beautiful and light zari work pallu andi. Chala chakkaga undi chudaniki. I love this saree and I hope you love this too. And this is the blouse. So blouse is also like light parrot green color combination. Suits very well with this saree. And the saree price goes 22,999. See, this is at the best weaver's price. You can just lock it. This is one more beautiful color, light color combination, and this is for all the people who loves light color. Light color ki bright color combination vachindandi. Such a beautiful combination ever. Border chudochu, manchi traditional border vachindi bottom lo, and the other side is like little bit thinner than the bottom one. Very beautiful and pretty. Body of the saree mottham kuda manki silver zari designer, and the border is with golden zari. This is the pallu with full of golden zari work. You can see how rich and beautiful it is. Manam ila single ga kuda flaunt chesukochu. And for this is the blouse combination. Blue color blouse with a bigger border. Manam half the elbow work pettukochandi. And this saree is priced at 33,999. So these are the special collections of Siddharthi. This is green color, parrot green. Such a beautiful combination andi. Parrot green ki purple color ochindi. It suits for everyone and the saree kuda chala bright combination kada. It suits for all the occasions. Pelli kane kaadu elanti traditional occasions kaina chala baga set ayye saree. And you can see the saree is like full of floral design with a golden weave, and the border is also very pretty. Light copper zari color lo vastundi. This is the pallus with purple color and golden color zari work. Such a beautiful designer. And here's the blouse. So blouse is also very elegant and dark. So this is the combination, and the sari price goes 34,999. So this is the order number. Please do take the screenshot. If you love any sari, please do take the screenshot and send it to our team. And just block your favorite sari because everything is only single piece and single colors. So remember that. This is one more beautiful color, light color combination. The Kanjivaram, beautiful Kanjivaram sari, light pista green with violet color. Such a beautiful sari and the best weavers price only with our 3 special sari collections. And this is the pallu. Pallu kuda chaala chakkaga undi. Sorry, this is the border. Sorry. And this is the border and the border kuda chaala chakkaga unchindi. Manchi traditional border is running on either side. Same size borders vastundandi. You can see the collection. This is special sari of Vidatri. Endukante 2 sides border kuda same equal size untundi. And this is the pallu. Pallu is also very pretty with golden zari and border continuation kuda vastundi. And for this we have got the blouse. Such a beautiful blouse again. So this is the blouse and violet color to vstundi, bigger border, same ide laga manam stitch chesukochu, same size ki. It looks more elegant and the price is 33,999. ఇవన్నీ కూడా మంచి జరీ వర్క్ సారీస్ అండి, జరీ బై జరీ నీట్గా చాలా చక్కగా వీవ్ చేశారు. సో దట్స్ ద రీజన్ ఫర్ దిస్ range of prices today. Very beautiful sarees, pure Kanjivaram sarees, and you can see the saree kuda chaala chakkaga undi color combination. Everything is of only single color. This is pink color with violet color piping with golden zari borders running on either sides. This is the pallu. Pallu kuda chaala chakkaga vachindandi, manchi contrast color. Manam single ga kuda ila flaunt chesukochu, which gives you a rich look. And for this we have got the blouse. So beautiful blouse only. So this is how it goes. And the saree is priced at 33,999. This is one more beautiful color, sea green color. This will be suitable for the receptions only. Very beautiful colors, even for the bridesmaids. So bridesmaids can choose this color of saree. And this is violet color border. Very beautiful color combination. Light with bright is always a evergreen color combination. Saree muttam kuda manki booty works vastundi, which is a peacock. This is like peacock booties all over, and the border is also very elegant. This is the pallu. Pallu kuda chaala chakkaga vachindandi. You can see the combination, how pretty and elegant. Detailing kuda chaala chakkaga icharu. And for this we have got a blouse, very beautiful blouse. So this will be the combination. And each saree price vachesi 33,999. So almost all the sarees are like below 40,000. This is one more beautiful color, light color combination. This is light lavender with green. Beautiful saree and you can see the border little bigger, so man feet pettukunnappu chaala chakkaga kanipistundi because the other side border is thin kada, so the bottom border is little bigger. Such a beautiful color and shade, and saree kuda mottham silver saree tho vastundi. Body of the saree. This is the pallu with golden weave, which is light green in color. And for this we have got a blouse. So this is the blouse, very beautiful blouse combination. So this is how it looks. And each saree price vachesi manaki 34,999. Such a beautiful collections andi. You can just pair it up with beautiful jewelries, especially temple jewelries chaala baga set avutundi. Kanjivaram sarees ki our special, Vidatri special. So ee saree meer chudachandi, same size borders anamata. Both the sides you can see the same size of borders running on either sides, and saree mottham kuda it's with silver weave. Body of the saree and the borders are with golden zari. Such a traditional one, looks very elegant for every age group. This is the pallu. So pallu chusaru kada chaala grand ga undi, manchi designer vachindi, each zari by zari detailing chaala clear ga unchindi. And we have got a blouse. So this is the blouse with self design. And and the saree is priced at 33,999. We'll move on to the next one. We have come almost to the end, so please do check out the favorite collection of yours and take the screenshot and block your favorite saree. This is light yellow color only, yellow with purple color combination. You can see the borders are very thin, running on either sides, as we all love the thin borders. And ee saree lo kuda manaki light golden color mango booties vastundi, running all over. And this is the pallu. Pallu is also extra rich and it's pink color. మీరు డిఫరెన్స్ చూడొచ్చు, పింక్ కలర్ కి పర్పుల్ కలర్ కి చాలా బ్యూటిఫుల్ గా ఉంది సారీ కాంబినేషన్ కూడా. ఇట్స్ లైక్ ట్రై కలర్ సారీ అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద బ్లౌజ్. సో సీ ద బ్లౌజ్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో వెరీ డిఫరెంట్ అండ్ బ్యూటిఫుల్ అండ్ ద సారీ ప్రైస్ గోస్ 49,999. These are the wedding collections only. Manchi beautiful Kanjivaram sarees suitable for all the occasions, especially for the muhurtam. This is orange color. Manchi zari based saree only, very beautiful and elegant. You can see saree muttam kuda manki golden zari booties vastundi almost running all over, and two zari borders running on either sides. This is the pallu. పళ్ళు కూడా మనకి ఆరెంజ్ కలర్ సేమ్ కలర్ వచ్చేస్తుంది, బట్ ద బ్లౌజ్ విల్ బీ ద కాంట్రాస్ట్, ఇట్ విల్ బీ ద హైలైట్. సో దీస్ విల్ బీ సూటబుల్ ఫర్ పెద్దవాళ్ళకి చాలా బాగా సెట్ అవుతుందండి. అండ్ దిస్ ఇస్ ద కాంబినేషన్, సీ ద పర్ఫెక్ట్ ఫిట్. అండ్ ద సారీ ప్రైస్ 34,899. So we'll move on to the next one. This is blue color, copper sulphate blue, such a beautiful color combination. And దీనికి డార్క్ కలర్ బార్డర్ వచ్చిందండి, చాలా చక్కగా ఉంది. సో ఈ శారీ కూడా అంతే, సేమ్ సైజ్ బార్డర్స్ రన్నింగ్ ఆన్ ఈదర్ సైడ్స్, అండ్ ద బాడీ ఆఫ్ ద శారీ is with full of floral design, which is with silver weave. I just love this saree and I hope you too love this color. So please do take the screenshot and send it to our team. They will assist you with few more designs and collections. This is the pallu. పళ్ళు కూడా చాలా చక్కగా వచ్చింది, రిచ్ లుకింగ్ పళ్ళు విత్ గోల్డెన్ వీవ్ అండ్ బార్డర్ కంటిన్యూషన్ కూడా వస్తుంది మనకి. అండ్ వీ హ్యావ్ గాట్ ద బ్లౌజ్, ఇట్స్ అ కాంట్రాస్ట్ బ్లౌజ్, రాయల్ బ్లూ. అండ్ ద సారీ ఈస్ ప్రైస్డ్ ఎట్ 33,999. అండ్ ఎస్ చూసాం కదా, దీస్ ఆర్ ద కలెక్షన్స్ విత్ ఆర్ 3 collection beautiful sarees అండి. వీ నెవర్ కాంప్రమైజ్ ఇన్ ద క్వాలిటీ. Such a beautiful collections, and these will be the perfect fit in your wardrobe, and especially even for your the most favorite memorable occasions. And these are the beautiful Kanjivaram sarees. Hope you love the life along with me. And meer ganaka order cheyalanunte ee number ki order cheyochu. Please to take the screenshot. Orders anedi WhatsApp number, so you can just order on this number. Our team will immediately assist you. And you can even visit our store only, which is Vidatri Shopping Mall, PVP Lane, Vijayawada, which is open till 5 PM every day, and we're also shipping the sarees worldwide. And ee roju chupichina sarees anni kuda manaku only single pieces unnayandi, so please do remember that and block your favorite saree as soon as possible. These are the best Kanjivaram sarees and special sarees of Vidatri, which is at the best viewers price. And yes, we'll be back tomorrow with another beautiful range of collections. Till then, bye bye.